Test 1 2 1 2. Yes, I've been in Kyrgyzstan a few times. Let me remember how many. I think at least 4 or 5 times I've been here. So I've been to Isikul at least 3 times before. So I'm so excited because tomorrow I will be back in Isikul. That place, it's really special and unique worldwide. Yeah, definitely. Last time I've been here before Corona. So every time when I came, I see a different city and the new buildings, new things change in a good way, and I'm really happy. Every time it's a little bit different in a good way. Actually, I've met a few artists. It's difficult now to remember the names, but I meet a few artists over the time. Yeah, I have already some pictures with some artists. I cannot say something that I don't like, but I can say something that I like. The food here is amazing. Amazing food. Better than in Europe, in my country. No, I don't like the traditional drinks. I occasionally have a glass of red wine, and I work in the studio now to release a new album, so probably it's gonna be ready in 2 or 3 months. So I'm thinking about it to shoot a video in Kyrgyzstan, maybe at the Isikul. Hello, this is Akcent, Kaktus.media. Thank you for your support. Hope to see you again soon. Hello, Kyrgyzstan.